Is a balcony cabin on Icon of the Seas actually worth it or just overhyped? And what about those cabin decorations? Is it a luxury upgrade or just a total waste of money? Plus, we scored this extended ocean view balcony through bidding in RoyalUp. But was it really an upgrade or just a mistake? Keep watching because we're breaking down all of that and more. And if you got questions, drop them in the comments below. Now let's get into it. This is why people book balcony cabins on Icon of the Seas. But here's what surprised me. If you take a look at our balcony, we have extended balcony, a large balcony where there is more leg room and more space to lounge. So we booked the ocean view balcony on the largest cruise ship in the world, Icon of the Seas. But this just wasn't any cruise. We were celebrating our anniversary and we paid extra for the Royal Caribbean Anniversary Decoration Package. You can find it inside the app. Ta-da! Surprise!
Wow, what is this?
This is what we walked into. Today, we're showing you everything. The full balcony layout, storage, bathroom space, and whether upgrading to a balcony and paying for cabin decorations is actually worth it. Because after staying in this room for 7 days on the largest cruise ship in the world, we have thoughts. Let's take a look. All right, so this is what you see immediately when you walk in. First impression, it feels modern, clean, very open, surprisingly very open. So we're in this ocean view balcony cabin on Icon of the Seas, and I'll put the exact category right here on the screen. And of course, the first thing we noticed were the cabin decorations. You get the door decoration, the ceiling, the stuff that hangs from the ceiling. You get a picture frame. They put anniversary decorations on the mirror.
I did, I do, I will always.
Oh, yes. So after experiencing this and seeing this in person, I'm going to tell you at the end whether we would pay the balcony and the cabin decorations again. Now let's talk about the actual room layout. You have this king size bed here, which can be split into two twins if needed. There's a sofa right there, which could work for a third guest. And one thing I love about Icon is how light and airy these rooms feel. The bathroom, you have your shower, your vanity, your shelves. The bathroom is compact, but it's efficient. You're going to have your shelving here for toiletries.
So this is what everybody was wondering about. So you can do your hair and stuff.
Shower is going to be your standard cruise size shower, but while it's not oversized, it's very comfortable. You have a nice glass door. You have a nice solid door. And the water pressure was actually really good, which to me, that could make or break my shower experience. Your shower gel, shampoo, conditioner combination, I know a lot of people don't like. All right, so we're leaving the restroom and we are heading to the closet area. And so you have a double-sided closet with plenty of hangers and plenty of space to hang up your clothes. There's also some baskets for storage, for shoes and whatnot, which is different that they don't have on some of the other class ships that they have on Icon class ships, these little sliding baskets. Also, you are going to have a refrigerator that cools pretty nicely. It's not for heavy duty stuff, but it will definitely handle your soda if you choose to bring a pack of soda per person. You can definitely keep them cool in here. Don't forget to pay attention to what's inside the drawer, which is going to make sure that you're able to do your room service. Your complimentary continental breakfast is there. You just fill it out and make sure you hang it on the door at night. I think they give you up until like 3 in the morning to fill that out. The information will be on the door hanger, so make sure that you look there for the exact information. But normally you could fill it out and leave it on really late and they'll still come and catch it. You singing?
It's Shira in my cup.
I know a lot of times people buy external hooks and use it to hang on the walls because the walls are magnetic, but they do have some built-in hooks for you. A lot of areas it's already built in for you to hang your things. And then, of course, you're going to have this great area to keep track of your temperature and to adjust room temperature to your liking, either up or down.
And because Shira reserved this particular type of accommodations, I was immediately drawn to the ocean-kissed views coming from the extended balcony. And I especially appreciated the suede headboard while lying in bed watching the 55-inch flat screen television. My take on this cabin, it was a sun-drenched, ocean-kissed sanctuary with airy, modern glam touches and a balcony that opens to horizon-framed, wave-kissed views, equal parts tranquil retreat, and a playful, fun, and romantic escape.
But let's be honest, this is why people book balcony cabins. You get 2 chairs, a small table, and you even get these the little lounge ottomans to put your feet on. There's enough space to comfortably sit out here with coffee in the morning. And the privacy divider between the balconies next to you is perfect. This particular balcony feels so spacious enough for 2 people to relax without feeling cramped. I mean, you can stretch completely out. And there's just something emotional. There's just something about waking up and opening these doors to the ocean.
So we're on our way to the Windjammer, but there's 2 important things that we noticed that we've never seen on any other cruise ship. 1, where are the life jackets? Normally they are stored in the room and we don't see any. And then 2, where's the safe? Because normally it's stored in the room and we don't see any. So we'll ask our cabin attendant when he shows up or she shows up. Until then, I'm craving lobster, so
Okay.
we just gonna hide our stuff.
Looking back at our extended balcony cabin on Icon of the Seas, I'll say this experience really came down to what matters most to you on a cruise. The extra balcony space was definitely a nice touch and gave the cabin a more open, elevated feel, although that RoyalUp bid process and procedure was a nightmare. More than that in another video. So when it comes to the decorations, they were fun, festive, and added a little something special to the trip, especially if you're celebrating it. Now, were they absolutely necessary? Maybe not, but for the right occasion, they can be a sweet extra. So overall, this cabin gave us a chance to enjoy Icon in a more memorable way, and it was really fun to see whether the RoyalUp experience and the added touches were actually worth it. So if watching videos like this helps you figure out what cabin to book, what upgrades might be worth your money, or how to plan your own cruise a little smarter, that's exactly what we love sharing over here on Aunt and Shira Adventures. And if you're thinking about taking a Royal Caribbean cruise of your own and want help booking it, pricing it out, choosing the right ship and cabin, reach out to me at www.takefinertrips.com. And definitely keep watching Aunt and Shira Adventures because we've got more Royal Caribbean Cruise videos coming your way, including more from our 7-day Icon of the Seas cruise. We have Star of the Seas, Quantum of the Seas, Allure of the Seas. So make sure you check out Wonder of the Seas, Utopia of the Seas. Oh, we have so many of the seas. So make sure you check out the next video, subscribe to Aunt and Shira Adventures, and we'll see you in the next one.